Financial education is crucial for making informed decisions about money. Here are 10 tips to help you enhance your financial knowledge. 1. Create a budget. Get to know your income, spending habits and savings plans. A budget can help you see what you spend most of your money on, and to ensure that you have the necessary money for all those basic needs as well as future goals. An example, you have a monthly salary about $2,500 and you have a fixed expenses of $1,250. And the variable expenses, $470. Your savings, $180. And now you can calculate the expenses, $600 is for you. 2. Emergency fund. Save up an emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living costs. Also, this fund serves as a financial safety net that gives you peace of mind and shields you from unforeseen expenses. 3. Understand credit. Learn about credit scores, how they are calculated, and the importance of maintaining good credit. This knowledge is essential for obtaining favorable interest rates on loans and credit cards. 4. Investing basics. A. Know about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate and other investments. B. Understand the concept of risk and return. In the next section, we will look at this distinction to provide an illustration of how important diversification can be in reducing one's level of risk, while still potentially increasing returns. 5. Retirement planning. You also need to start planning your retirement early. Don't forget to maximize savings potential with employer-sponsored retirement plans. And it is necessary to fully grasp the power of compounding interest in order to maximize your savings. 6. Money management. It's important to know how to cope with and ultimately eliminate debt. Pay off high-interest debt first, and don't pile up debt that doesn't need to be piled up. It is very important to figure out the concept and differences between good debt and bad debt. 7. Getting to know insurance. You can learn about many different types of insurances. Health, auto, life, and homeowner insurance are just some of the most common kinds. Knowing your coverage requirements and shopping around to obtain the best rates may save you money in the end as well. 8. Stay informed. Remain abreast of financial news and trends so that you are not left out in the cold. Know what global and local economic factors can do to affect your own money. And don't forget regularly check targets and make any necessary adjustments. 9. Tax knowledge. There are savings opportunities to explore through tax, such as deductions and credits. For special tax situations, you might want to ask help from a professional. 10. Continuous learning. Financial markets and regulations are always changing, so commit to lifelong learning. Attend workshops, read books, and follow reputable financial blogs to stay informed on new strategies and investment opportunities. Remember, financial education is an ongoing process, and just taking small steps over time can lead to significant improvements in your financial well-being.